Hi, my name's Katie. I am a professional makeup artist and I am here with makeup tutorials to help you get really good at doing makeup. In this video, as part of my basic makeup series, I will be explaining how to apply your lip color. If that sounds interesting to you, just keep watching. This will be all about lips, beginner lips. Some people think that's obvious, but sometimes it's kind of like, where do I start wearing lip color? So the products that I have recommended in my beginner makeup kit video, which I will link for you, are sheer formulas. I find that they are the easiest place to start when you're just starting out with some lip color. So first I'm going to start off with some tinted lip balms. Most of us have used lip balms in the past, for chapped lips and all those things. So they're very easy to use. You just swipe them on. I have two here that I like. This is the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in the color Red Dahlia. And then I also have the Chapstick Total Hydration in the color Merlot. So these are two tinted lip balms. Right? So very easy to use. I will show you a swatch of them on my hand. This is the Burt's Bees there. And this is the chapstick one here. See similar colors. You can see what colors I like. You can see one is even more sheer than the other. I'll try these on for you here real quick. This is the Burt's Bees, right? How do you apply lip balm? You just swipe it on your lips. But since it's tinted, you want to keep it in the lines, right? So I'm going to go middle, out, side to side. Smear it together. Easy peasy. That's the Burt's Bees. Now for the chapstick. Make sure I got that Burt's Bees off of there. This is the chapstick. Middle, out, side to side. Apply as much as you want. There's the chapstick. Okay, so next I am going to show you a sheer lipstick formula. This is the Revlon, see if I can read what that says without my glasses, Revlon Shine formula. This is the Super Lustrous Shine and 007 Glazed Mauve. It's a really pretty nude color, right? It has your tube, it's a nice round shape. Put it right in between here, these two. That's what that looks like, that center one there. Okay, and for application, you're gonna do it the same way that I just did the lip balms. We're gonna start in the middle, right? I've got one side of the Cupid's bow and down, one side and down, get the middle, and then on the bottom lip, side to side. Smear it together. If you look and you see you got outside the lines, just use your fingers or a Q-tip, swipe it away. The thing that I like about these sheer formulas is that there's a lot more room for error, right? So that is the Revlon Super Lustrous Shine in Glazed Mauve. That's a nice one, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, and the last lip products I'm going to show you are still a sheer formula, but they have a little bit more pigmentation than those other ones that I showed you. These are the e.l.f. Sheer Slick lip colors. I have them here in Black Cherry and Dragon Fruit, but they have more colors of these. So this one, I will swatch on this hand for you. This is Dragon Fruit. You can see how much color there is in that one compared to these other ones. All right, there's a lot more pigment in that dragon fruit color. And then there's this one, which is Black Cherry. And that one's even more sheer than the dragon fruit. You can see what kind of colors I like, yeah. I like the berries. Okay, so I will show you the black cherry first. Same application, right? I'm gonna start on the Cupid's bow here and down, Cupid's bow and down, get the middle, and then I'm gonna go side to side on the bottom lip. And smear. And clean that little spot up with my finger. And there you have, that's the black cherry color. I like that color, I think it's my favorite. Takes me back to the 90s. Okay, and then I'm going to show you dragon fruit. Okay, got that all off there. So here's the dragon fruit. So this one had a lot more pigment, as you can see. So you're going to want to be a little bit more careful, a little bit more precise. Use the edges of the product as your line, right? So I'm going to go in the same path. I'm going to go here, right? Cupid's bow and down. Cupid's bow and down, middle. You see that? And then I'm going to go side to side on the bottom. Using the edge of the tube as the guide on the edge of my lip. I'm going to smear it. I'm going to look, see if I need any more anywhere. So this right here, I want to fill in that and that. See how it comes in a little bit? I want it to fill out just a little bit more. So I'm going to use the edge of the tube here, and I'm going to start from the corner up. It's hard to talk when you're doing lipstick, but you can see what I did there. I went from the corner and I went up. Using the edge of the tube. Okay, now I want to do some cleanup. So I'm going to take a Q-tip here. Okay, and I'm just going to get in the middle and I'm going to run it along the outside and in the inner corner. All right, I'm just cleaning up the edges so that I don't get too much bleeding of the color outside the lip lines. And then I smear it. So that is dragon fruit. So you can see that's quite a bit more color on that one, but that's how you would apply your lipstick. So now we have a completed face. If you've watched all the videos, I hope that they were helpful for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I do offer one-on-one makeup lessons if you need some individual help in picking colors and textures, or there's something that's just not working for you. You can find those on my website. I will link that down below for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.